Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and this week we're going to be having vegetable egg rolls. Now me and Dan was at the grocery store the other day, and one of our loyal subscribers, longtime friends, we run into them, and they asked if we would try making some egg rolls, vegetable egg rolls like zaxbys. Alright folks, we're at a little bit of a disadvantage. We've never ate egg rolls at Zaxby's, but we're going to give it a shot. We're going to try it two different ways. We're going to try, let me first start off. I looked online. It says what is in it is carrots and cabbage. So what I did to quicken it up a little bit, I just bought a bag of coleslaw mix. Alrighty, and also it said green onions. So we'll use some of these green onions here, chop them up fine. The one way, what we're going to do, we'll pour a little bit of teriyaki on it, fry them. We'll want them to stay a little bit crunchy. Then we'll roll them in our egg roll, deep fry them. We'll give them a try, see how they taste. And then the other way I'm going to do, we're going to try, I looked, we did not have no bouillon cube for chicken, but we did have a pack of noodles. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour a little bit of that on the cabbage and carrots. We're going to boil it just for a short period of time. Then we're going to get it out and put it in ice water, and then we'll dry it off real good, and we'll roll it in here, and we'll see which way we like it best. Let's get started. Alrighty folks, we've got us some water in here. We've put half the onions in there, and we've got us some coleslaw. This is the one way we're going to do it. Let me grab me a pair of scissors over here. Carolyn's hidden scissors on me. I think she likes to do stuff like that there, just
No.
Yes you do.
No.
Come clean.
No, you're a man, you don't look.
It's gone from that spot. Alrighty folks. Pour this in here. I'm going to stir it up. We'll get this to boil and let it cook just for a little bit there, and then we'll take it off, and then we're going to put it in a colander, and then we'll put some ice water. Alrighty. Put a little bit of oil down in there. Put some onions. Now let's throw in some of our coleslaw mix here. Should have chopped that up a little bit. Okay. And then what I'm going to do on this, I'm going to put a little teriyaki on top. Not a whole lot. We're just going to fry it up real quick there. We don't want it to get too cooked down. We'd like to have a little bit of a bite left to it there. A little bit of a bite left to it there. I was walking away. I didn't know if you heard me or not. We all still a little bit on the puny side. Get my goodness. Alright, I'm just going to cook this just here. Just a little bit. We've got our oil preheating over here at 400 degrees. We'll let this back here come to a boil, and then we'll take it off. And then hopefully it's good. Like I said folks, we've not tried. You can tell Carolyn, she's got the old crud. We've all had it. Hopefully it'll be good. Like I said, we've not tried none of them there at Zaxby, so we don't really know what to shoot for. We're just going to see if this tastes pretty good. And hope this helps her out. Alright, we let this just come to a boil. Now I'm going to take it off, pour it in the colander. Then I'm going to get some ice water. Okay, now we're just going to pour this out in the colander here. And I'll get some ice water. And we'll put down inside this and put it back in there to stop the cooking. Now, let me set this here a second. Tell you what, let me just go ahead and pour it back out again, and we'll put some cold water back in there. We won't even fool with the ice. And then we'll need to dry this off real good. Okay, I'm just going to let that sit there for a second. Let's go over here and check on the rest of our stuff. Alrighty, I'm pushing the water out of it. We'll get a paper towel here in a minute and dry it off. Now this one, all it's got the seasoning in it is from that chicken pack. We don't have no teriyaki seasoning or anything like that there. So we'll fix them both and we'll see how they taste, and then we'll go from there. Get another paper towel here. Just trying to dry it real good, folks. Trying to get a lot of the moisture out there. Alrighty. Now, let's start rolling some of these. Alrighty. Just have it sort of like a diamond shape to point towards you. Roll it up like this here, about halfway up. Fold this over, like so. Fold this side over, like so, where it sort of boxes it in. We're going to get some water, seal up the edges. And then hopefully that'll work out for us. It may fly all apart, folks. We'll see. Now we're going to take it, drop it down in the oil. I'll be making another. Sort of make a diamond shape. Point towards you. All right. This might be the right way, it might be the wrong way, folks. We'll see. I don't know. I'm no expert at making egg rolls. And we just roll them up like that there. We'll take that there, just seal your edges a little bit. And then what you do, get you a bowl. Take some paper towels, stick down in it, like so. Just something where it's going to soak up the oil. And then what we'll do, let me step over here and get this one bursting out. Set it up on its end like that there. That way the oil drains out of it. It won't be a sticking or sitting inside of it there. We'll get to making them others in just a second. Let's see. Let me get one more going here. Chug, you keep an eye on that and over there. Alrighty. This is the other kind. Fold it up. Bring that over like that. Bring that over like that. Dip your fingers in water. Seal up the envelope. And then we're just going to roll it up tight there. And then we can set it down inside the oil. There we go. Alrighty, folks. There you have it. These ones over here on this side has got the teriyaki in it. This here has got the chicken bouillon, more or less, in it. Shook. Give it a try. That's the plain ones with the chicken in it. Just don't get burned up. Hot.
Uh-huh.
We might need to let them cool down just a little bit more, folks. That was one of the last ones out.
Good. Real good.
Okay. Just going in for a second.
Delicious.
Okay, you like that? Mm-hmm. Now, this here is one of the first ones with the teriyaki.
Delicious.
Okay, which one do you prefer best?
Teriyaki.
First one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Fried.
Now, folks, to be honest, the thing that I did see, I forgot to get any sweet and sour sauce. I believe that it comes with sweet and sour sauce when you buy it to dip these in. A lot of people said they didn't need it, but yeah, I can see the steam rolling off that shit.
Yeah. The fried is better. The fried cabbage.
The fried cabbage is better, she said.
I like any kind of cabbage, fried, raw, or anything, but this tastes better with the fried.
All right, folks, I hope this helps you out. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday. Thank y'all again for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.